undisputedly, no, we are the leading private transport operators in the country. You can't be a year to month because within a twinkle of an eye, now a call round there was mechanism, all the regional heads, no, the paper now a country or more. Then they also descend to the branches and the locals. And they can't send me within the twinkle of an eye, the best spreading all over the country. And nothing na yes, hesitate. Assembly bar, we don't rush in taking decisions. One will say about 2 lawyer firm more. You're more than your consultant. Your money to my you do not transit. Now I can't tell you so. We assistant by 10%. We answer back out. Yeah, sorry, I say we are too full move. Maybe 4 months at the 5% at 2 months, and the NCM 2 lawyer firm 5%, and the 10% at 2 months, and the NCM 10%, and to Monty, Sana, she said, before I remember out, now your war, and Niama, Emma, to so, and yes, and baby, or be a fair, Diana, move, generally, move fair, now. To me explaining ye mamu ema mukra mukamaye and sana and they say na wo kan ya kan once let me concern for you cry about and I can't once do so be a say you can once my beka do baby cry this time I just said baby the press conference now free journalist now because the press conference to make the questions, sir. You have to me explain this and there message no call out or be at the
okay. You're ma yana si bibi ani ebesa ba biem na ya betoa so wadaroma.
Yanso that mo ase. Say the ba no ma ye kwan ma ye kire age mo be at that mo ase.
Yeah, that's CBBRE. Abusianfo ye ne PRO edema GPRTU ono ne national PRO Yura Abbas Ibrahim Moro and ye ne twetwe enkomo eno adinti asema na meka earlier ni nyina eye femgo ebi ani ye wo tema oil refinery enso ho recently ya krampo kra no ya bo obi din so ono no nkonkoye managing director ewo ho but the question I be says ye bo mudin so mkoye managing director na de ne ya omko manage eye de ben ya because yewura mahama mo abreso omo nso so the same thing edru ba bi no kra de omo kan of friend saying tema oil refinery no any boss to say de omo kan bo mu ye ne baako e de yewura ewu adako ne kokoda no be pem ne the question is emfaso be ne tumi ba so. And your mind, we don't think about the future. What we think is say, Obia maybe no one baby, Obia maybe no one baby. Nanka a 64-year country and still on. You need national development plan. Obia ba no baby no asori baby. Obia ba no baby no asori baby. Meanwhile, no, your national development planning committee, we have appointed people to occupy that position. We pay them every month. The question is, the proposals in the bar. The recommendations in the bar, do we stick to them? Do we implement them? Enti my no said the say ya mayania na ho. We need strategic leaders who are strong and they have a very strong conviction. Say they can move this country forward. Sometimes, you feel so bad. Eba and some for they will bring it na ye nyina ya kaza won ho apetre na sam ya to atwani baby na obi asam be pede baby atena enti ne say omo so kroma monitor some for they know say and some for no is one way people they will come talk na just omo so call baby. That is what echoes wo Ghana ha enti yes rampany for no they should do something na on mining team nko nanim. Constitution Review Commission so hwan so de bia ba eno so yamo ato atwene baby mame ko ahoma ne so na yenkonkobon komo sisi ya ne yera mark yebo a kranche ekotwetwe enkomo ye ba na manyo semu a ono so owumu nimde yera wote yenkan no pe ya chiawo aba henkan 93.3 FM so yeah edo show me abema apo mokode
Erade de ene ate.
Okay, yeah, the radio say. Inti, can him company John Dramani Mahama say NPP aben omo betimi are accountable to Ghana for. I just say ya change government and sana corruption yet to me a fight from baby a wo and we nim die no. Say na who ne comment no.
But asiminia. Prefer kwanya iso etu ya wetiefo ene abegafo enyina. Yɛka kɛtaasesɛ prɔyɛ ɛna kankan ɛwɔ ɔman mu a asetuo no ɛyɛ nsesɛeɛ a aban ɛde bɛgu akwan mu sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛde esuro ne ahopopoɔ bi ɛbɛto ɔman no so anaa temammufoɔ a saa prɔyɛ kɛtaasesɛ ɛna kankan ɛfa wɔn ho no. Let's go to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president. Nensema ode egu akwemo. Yenye na ya begi atumu se ansana omampani na na adodankwa beba amenya so no. Gidia timemufo yenya awodi no. Awesema yenya ye. Sanse oboda wuro bonto ase kɛtaasesɛ prɔyɛ ɛna kankan agye ɔman no abɔ so ne sɛ nti ɛma ɔman no ntumi nkɔ n'anim ɛnyina ɛsɛ sɛ ɔman no nyini ɛwɔ ɔmampanyin dada abrɛ so no ntumi nyi ne nuru saa ne sɛ nti temammufoɔ ɛtɔ ade a NPP aban no ɛtɔnɔyɛ no ɛma yɛto aba ɛma wɔn special prosecutor se ɛyɛ daeɛ asap now yɛhwɛ tibia kɛtaasesɛ prɔyɛ na kankan ɛgye nhini wɔ ɔman mu a na ɛkame ayɛ sɛ NDC amamuo no ne NPP amanyɔkuo no nyinaa gyina nsania baako. They are on one scale because you preach righteous and then practice evil. Akwanya a ɔde tɔɔ hɔ sɛ nka obetu kɛtaasesɛ ase a wɔntumi nti amanfoɔ nso ɛɛtɔ ɔmampanin ade a ɔnam ho ka sɛ gye sɛ aban no afiri abadwa mu ansa na prɔyɛ kɛtaasesɛ ɛna kankan ase ati anaa atumi akɔ fam na yɛasɛm bisa no sɛ ofiri abɛnya mu a hwan ɛna ɛreba abɛyɛ ɔman no yie. Is it NDC? Because Omaba, I'm here for one human. Omaba, I'm here for your capacity, and can't attack you. So, a quite bad son of Webber, a dear tip, Diana can say, oh, but I am a quite big kind of went to me. I said, dear, make Kana Wakano. Now, NPP, and my opponent, we were fine, and a bad for your capacity, and I can't say, Roy, I you. That's the answer. You will send you a pet.
Okay, now in the first place, you see, he who finds equity, must come with a clean hands. Only power no is talking about corruption. Say, I might we free soa. And you bet me to us here, we are talking about someone under the stewardship. You witness a bus branding scandal, almost 3.6 million Ghana cedis. Be permanent you baby and which Burkina Bay contractor Jibri Kanazoe or also so told just $60,000 and not young baby and who see 2013 Jida scandal and also Yente Honshe Sada scandal Yente Honshe NSS scandal sika and also normally tuatua one kasa party communicators but pem na yente ho hwe judicial corruption scandal ni Brazil 2014 fiasco a whole lot wabam and asa ne ba nyina akokɔ so now in the first place does he have the temerity to talk about issues bordering with corruption?
But Asinia, you heard my presentation and my submission. But if you just abaya mensa ho adi kan wo moja afa kata se proya na kan ho ya dai na osan ebeka aban foforo ede na menia abia eya se ye hwe ne se eta infonyini de threat mamupo hawa politicians omu here. Because at a point in time, you might think that the one you have is the West, and then you will go in for the other one who is preaching righteous. At the end of the day, you examine that the one preaching righteous is practicing evil. And it's under the watch of Omampani, John Dramani, Mahama, Esisi, when to me, now the question is, if even we cannot have rest under Nanado Danko Kufuado about who is to save Ghana? Why en ebede or minor Africa as a program the right to we are entitled the right to our opinion. And we only opinion and our or ya Ghana media as some of Ghana hono or pine per oka. But over pine can unya quanyano. They prevented those things you are saying now, you are talking about. You have the opportunity and you bet me a two capacity, but you abuse the opportunity, you use it other way around, and even the opponent capitalize on that, and our two free akunyaso. So you saying that the government should maybe come Penino is having a reason or a solution to what is happening.
And on another school of thought and so who do opinion be say okay no scandals here me bubo so nyina ampa esi under the government and we nyina say MPP aban so no they campaigned heavily on the fight against corruption omoba scandals upon scandals and SCA don't you think if obi kase aban yo tiswe wa fairly Ghana for because say scandals here bubo din nyina e wo honom a ene they have all the political akutrum ko gina mrani mu a omo betumi aye bepem ne yente hwe omampani ankasa nso oka o se unya any concrete evidence ya utumi present omampani ankasa ene MPP aban omo ni Ghana hwamo
linia the brena na Ghana for expected from omampani the fact that as a project and a campaign. The NC Agana for the boom for about every man or mampany the first term. And if or say over two projects as a summer campaign. Upon the modern institutions, I was saying, they expect all those things or sector. At the end of the day, you saw say a bino, a pay, Emma. The or that's the ananoa, your friend of sexual prosecutor, no, and then some not a tiakoma, a half breaking ever. Because if you come out by saying that, Obi our point or sebra, nada buana catastrophe, Brianna can kayen to us here. Now, what the woman is on only the mother serpent of corruption. I think he said. A camp for you need to throw via promotua or mampany a promotu catastrophe, a proyana can kind of an answer. And ye and to be a dancer, Ampara or mampany any MPP are buying at the Ghana who is now mobiles and Yama AC upon insistence. I asked na ye tia wonka, the big taxpayers' money, 8 years, exactly about. We are still having those things, and then the index of bribery and corruption is at the high. And see, a question of the that is Omanpanina Casano, Zamodia Cassia, and our day at the Omine.
Finally, Ansakra na obdi ebijaho akono and say ye kase ye bobo scandals are aban yo tesonso. SEC na mamumu edroson ye wo Kelny GVG ye wo eye bust de ba ye say contaminated fuel ufri hono mo a even the Ghana artistic kra no so ho ye say 5.3 million Ghana cedis bi e ho bansam nia SEC nyina kire se NDC MPP omo nyina omo ye baako na yenso ye pese ye page o man de koye nimu no from your own perspective ususu said dear bang near ya or may ye bet me acquainting na yet this as sika dear ni sika really Eddie Beja chi no mind let me a fan into my prefera.
But as a minia, say ye or mine, the memo for my year 10 puntu, a war memo. My engineer, you say, the Cafe, Troyana can a dean, you or memo or mine into me to form. Let's say, Enka, Yama Yamrano, and Yajima. Yama Yamrano, and Yajima. Na Obia, Obedi for our Cafe, Troyana can hold. The set laws are, yes, sister, constitution of Obi Foma, Yantanino, Yanfasa, and Grano, Indino. Yes, we shouldn't also base on political ideology to vote because they have failed. A time is coming now, we are promoting. You will see, say, our vote will be based on personality and not political base, because the political parties almost affiliate NDC back the Obekas warrior and then on warrior, NPP back the Obekas warrior and then on warrior. Young consider France, you and Redodua, France and Mampenina or the Tia Junction or turn a home, better in the party, what they are Mampenin. It is a time is coming. I think that all these things, if we put in place, now we are too about based on personalities and not political parties.
Na no ye be anything is just by say ye betena radio so ani ye ka ana ye betena TV so ani ye ka ana yensi fam nko kasa nkyere omo to aba no say ebra so a kwan say ni wose ye fa so to aba no
me da aseminia ye ni mo say media no the fourth estate anon so ekasa eto abe tumemuko aso the kind of fourth estate of the government and now the fourth arm the media. Eti media no ayen temjinafo eda oman no ene amanfo no ene yen politicians ana se mpanyimfo eda oman no media no also has the right to gather information and disseminate the information onto the voters. Until media no ever disseminate the information. Now, master on mine, but one the right way to go because the media will also have to suggest those things a minor better into my part extra. The media no effort to communicate, now you promote this political party. Our abra, you results by the end of the day. On mine, you know, now media now consider the selfish gain and now the obenya now you see a who see as a patriotic human memory or mind into these things will help. It takes the media and other personalities to disseminate information to the grassroots people. Anya sadia the diano the betna radio so the betna the media so nyaka nsema ensa sumu ema tememuko no entimi nfa enfanye onadima. So it takes the media to step in and step in boldly.
Yera ma yena se bibia ni ebesan ba ni aba betoa so wadaroma.
So madam afeme akonya mode amano.
Abusia yene Yera Mark Yeboa Kranche or your political scientist. And yene ko twetwe enkomo a wa kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma bebree but see ade bɛyɛ adwuma no ɛno deɛ ɛwɔ yɛ hankasa yɛn hɔ mesrɛ mo baabi a yɛduru no we have to demand for what belongs, in fact what rightfully belongs to us. Adeɛ no yɛ wodea. And in Tiniana, I sometimes get pissed off. Me who say, yeah, politician be a child, and now a whole member of parliament. Come on. Sometimes you exhibit adenya or pa a kufuado Chelsea or Mamma Kwamano. Hello. Yeah, politicians no yakao mate. Obia nimu chau pau. si ya be pow chel say na we dey ya pa chel say ya na ukọ rounds anu ma no dem am ka chel no na ohini mua o tina konwam no ono nso so pa chel ni bi na we dey ya pa chel mo me ye kwan ne ma yen tie nyansan kasa tie de nyansan ka kire wo no. So we would feel who you are a president because someone voted you there. Enti anopai and someone no mampani ka no. Yentie yensantie. And someone no mampani akufado e ka. Yensantie and someone no ankasa e ka. Tie.
Mampani se nene na mama no. Esrega na fo. E mame mampani ekona no entrance. Ami jasa misra there. I will kind of war. Kasai, and then mammy will say, yeah, and you must also
One can't answer me. Why, and you're my penny kufado. Or sit 2 minutes in Yamomo on a war. And it is the 2 minutes, the affair, or no one who must move. On one who must move, the be a one, my main some mobility. Tie.
Mampani se nene na mama no. Esrega na fo. E mame mampani ekona no entrance. Ami jasa misra there. I will kind of war. Kasai, and then mammy will say, the mampani no. Can I make it be a memo away on Sadat? To be no Yamu on a war. Yamu on a war. I'm the same person.